G-Slug boys, yay!
So, Lewis, when are you going to switch out that gear and actually getting your carnival clays?
No clays?
Aye, like, all black balaclava. All black clays and a different balaclava colour.
Outfit.
But you gotta just wear that in our gang, aye? I've literally every gang in this server literally have like the same outfits on, but like one key wee difference, and you're like, I'm wearing like this. Like, I want to say we're getting chased down a police, mate. How are you gonna hide in a bush with a bright yellow and blue shirt on, blue jeans?
The leaves.
The leaves are green.
It's true. I'll buy some new clays and all if it make you happy.
You am.
If I want to.
Please put a mask on. Well, I'm really just cover your face. You know well if you can afford one.
Better be able to afford one, just give you 15 grand unless you fucked it all at the casino already.
Right, let me check.
Crack.
Yeah, honestly, hey,
Get the fuck off the road!
Shut up, you prick!
Just park anywhere.
Get it?
No, I'm eating.
Get it or I'm locking you in.
Just lock me in, I'm eating.
See if cunts run away with this, I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm in your car, don't worry. I'll be in the driver's seat, so you fucking don't worry.
Hey, you're back. Yeah. Robbie's back.
Alright, I was just staring at somebody else there.
Well, how'd you like my man?
That actually suits the rest of the fucking fit.
What are you saying, lads? Living life?
Yeah, living life. You getting in or no?
How's it? We don't fucking.
Oh, I like your shirt, dude. Fucking hell.
Thank you.
Get ballied up, go batty on a man's body.
Full chat on a man's back in the cell.
Imagine.
Smart. Fuck's sake. Alright, Robbie, son. Right, let's get in. Fuck's sake.
We nearly got run over by a couple of gangsters, Robbie. Couple of the road men.
Aye.
Well...
Fuck it, Paul.
Right, enough. Do you know what you're doing?
Kinda, yeah, we were just doing a bit of like weed runs and stuff.
That's what we're doing.
We've been doing, mushroom runs.
We're doing shrooms.
Apparently, is that a better payout?
Shrooms is a lot more, yeah.
Get a grand war, I think.
I'll have to figure that one out. But yeah, no, I need to go get my car out anyway, so I'll be back in a minute.
Right, no problem. If anybody pulls up, you know,
See you in a bit,
give them a 1, 2 like that.
Catch you in a bit.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll have to do a mushroom run, boys.
Best of luck.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a bit.
Don't get robbed. It's not a good feeling.
We'll try not to.
What is that helicopter doing?
I think he's looking for a pub to land on.
That was a national tragedy.
It definitely was. We're a fucking convoy right now.
I'm driving this. Look at you two, but we'll use camels, mate. I'm sitting right on a truck.
What?
I was looking behind.
You right?
Keep your eyes on the road. You have to.
I don't even know where I'm going or where I am. I drove through the airport.
I've seen you take the turn.
Did you? I was like, oh fuck, they're gonna start shooting or something, but nobody was there.
Here comes this cunt. You fucking bumped into me and then just pure spun out.
You bumped into me? You're the one who fucking swerved into me, you dick.
I did not. I was going straight.
No, don't shoot him, man. Fuck.
I've not got it.
What? I don't have a backpack, so I can't grab mushrooms.
Oh, can you know? Let me grab mine then, and I'll drop you my backpack. How about that?
That'll be good.
Did you not hear me shooting at you earlier when you drove away?
I seen you get out and I knew you were gone, but I didn't hear it, no.
I took a turn into the fucking airport and fucking like so.
Aye, you bastard, you flipped me and all up fucking up behind him. The first second one.
What?
See how that fucking turn me and you crashed it? Fucking I pure flipped because of that.
Or you could just like instead of dropping your fucking backpack, you could just fill my truck up as well.
I guess I can do that now. Aye, well, 33,000. Yeah, let me check.
Is it? I think it might be.
33,000.
My way.
I'm sorry, I was rolling a fish. You want to go to jail?
What?
Did you say you want to go to jail?
No, what guy need to get fuel?
Aye, me no, aye. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just fucking through shit. I'm running out of fuel. I'm in the middle of nowhere and I'm running out of fuel.
Oh, fuck's sake. Right, did you know he was beating my horn to fucking screaming at you, slow down?
No.
We were telling you to stop at the fuel station at the front of you, you just drove right past it and went flying. We've bought you fuel.
I didn't hear you.
Aye, I know, right, we'll get you there, right? There's this fucking dickhead right here. I told you fucking wait, man. You just get
I didn't hear you say wait.
Well, he should be on his way there already. Look at the state of him. What are you doing?
Tell me I locked it.
What, did you not unlock it and get to your car? That cunt can easily pick lock into your motor and steal all your drugs if he's got a fucking pick lock.
I can't.
You know, you fucking make all your drugs and then fucking lose it off, like just leaving your motor like a dog.
Not being touched, but I tell you.
Still, but it's not stupid fucking idea of doing so.
You don't know how to play the game, but...
You told him to fucking play the game, obviously doing that shit. Oh, fuck that. No fucking moan that well. Be moaning at you because you've been fucking doing this piss to me.
Calm the fuck down!
I only said piss, mate. Swearing is not me being angry.
Oh man!
Yeah. Fuck Kyle.
No. Fucking hell. Fucking what the fuck?
What are you doing?
Robbie rubber banded into my fucking hood.
What happened there?
You rubber banded into my fucking front and then I went
Did that-
sideways.
On my screen now is just normal.
That's me. Fuck's sake.
Fucking me, man. I've literally got 25 ping, I shouldn't be lagging at all.
No.
I know, I'm on the same.
I should be used to this, Boo, man. My internet's like this all the time.
Whoa, fuck me, man. I
think it's because we're travelling together.
Direction there.
Let you go ahead. Fucking cunt steaming. Oh man.
You did a fucking 360?
I'm fucking
Aye.
struggling here.
Life right here.
Aye, and we'll just follow this road to the pier. Or the harbour, whatever.
Oh aye. I remember this now.
Be sure you get your gun out when we get out of the car because like there's people
The
robbed you
fuck?
last time. There's a drug war going on.
I was back there, my car.
Get in the car! Get in, Robbie! Robbie, get in!
I've just seen so many dead bodies and I fucking stopped the car and got out.
We'll camp out somewhere until it cools down.
If I fucking knew there was a cunt down towards that drug area, I would have like parked next to that body and jumped into cover behind
I
my
said to
motor.
Lewis when we get there and get out of the car, make sure you get your gun out because there's always cunts waiting to rob you. And then we just hear bang bang bang. And we're like, oh, there we go. Fuck.
I honestly say, fan, like I was just seeing hundreds of dead bodies, and I drove in. There was no cunt shooting me, so I thought I'd be alright. So I jumped in the motor, looking about. Couldn't see any cunt. I was going to walk towards the bodies to start looting, but then that's when the cunt started to shoot me, so I sprinted towards yous. Somebody else gone down.
So whereabouts are yous?
I wouldn't go down there. I wouldn't go down there. Those guys. Can you hear me?
I can hear. Aye, hello.
Yeah, you're there.
What?
Right. I'm safe. You know what that was down there? That was the fucking army against somebody. You know what happened? I went down there, right, and I think it was the army. It was on military gear, but I went down there, and I saw cunts like where the entrance was, and I said to them, "I'm alright to go and get my car. I'm alright to go." And I just heard the cunt like, "If he doesn't get out here, he's going to die." And I said, "Alright, sorry, I'll go."
Aye, I heard you.
Yeah, these your boys.
Yeah.
What are they doing holding him?
Well, we're going to go and down sell some stuff, but obviously that happened.
Can you two show me your ID, please?
Literally, all I do is
Okay, Sam Jiggles, can you show me your ID?
tap B and then let and it lock.
Is it?
No. Okay, no off.
Well, mine does.
Okay, you boys are just free to go.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
these guys just started today as
Wait,
well.
you used to say them.
Well, they're leaving, so I'm assuming we can go back down, maybe.
Proper cadet. As Vito says.
Should we ask him?
Are you guys still there?
Yeah, what's up?
Are we allowed to go back down there?
Yeah, just be careful, there might be more people down there, but they shouldn't shoot you.
That's fine.
Thank you. I'm not gonna lie, man, I'm shitting myself at home time.
I was like, oh no, they're gonna get shot.
I mean, I will not lie, right? I
Aye.
don't think they've went down with the killed that guy, so I think there might be some loot there. I don't know if there'll be anybody else there, but I don't think they searched that body down there.
Right, well, where's your cut?
Yeah, I know, great.
We can make a group now, 100,000.
Right, so what are we calling this group?
Slug boys.
Who's Slug Boys? We need to come up with something new. I mean, we can do. Well, I guess we can go Slug Boys and go with his head at the end of the boys or something.
Like, what else we could
You think we're
Desert Island Dicks.
Desert Island Dicks? I don't even think we're allowed swears.
I'm looking up on ChatGPT to find fucking names.
Names for drug cartel.
Yeah, that's what I said. So it's giving me like butt cheek syndicate, cough syrup mafia, smugglers, big booty bandits, nasty and
Why is it all about raping people?
These are horrid.
Badly red peppers.
Bomb Syndicate Fake 115.
You're safe, don't worry.
The dumpster fire.
Thanks for going to rob him.
You're alright, don't
We're
worry.
not going to rob you, you're okay.
Three cunts in balaclavas parked in the middle of the road. Come on, you're safe.
So, what we actually calling ourselves then?
Oh,
The Bala-Rinas, but Bali spelt like balaclava.
It's so gay.
Oh, it's no.
Oh yeah, it is. The Bala-Rinas.
Alright, boys.
Alright, lads.
Alright.
Alright.
How are
What's
we?
going on here?
Talking about a
Fucking
group
hell,
name.
look at this mask, bro. Bro, I've seen your shirt before. You're a pacifist, innit?
Oh, I hate violence.
Bro, I fucking seen that, bro. I've seen your fucking shirt before. Not gonna lie, bro. Not gonna lie. We was about to rob you. But you're
Yeah.
a pacifist. I can't do that, bro. I can't do that.
Well,
Thank
I'm
you.
trying to think of a group name.
A group name? Oh,
Yeah.
it depends what type of groupies you're trying to be.
I was trying to say Bala-Rina.
Aye, the Bala-Rinas, but spelled like balaclava.
Nah, nah.
Oh, come on, like balaclava, the Bala-Rinas.
Nah.
Oh,
The pacifiers.
I don't know, I think the Bala-Rinas is really scary.
Oh, right. Well, hope you have a nice day, lads. And we won't be bothering you, innit?
Fair.
You boys.
Have a good
Have a
day.
good day.
See you later.
See you later,
Love
boys.
you.
That's gay.
Yes. I'm telling you. See if I didn't say the things I said, yours would have been dead. You should thank me and call it Marvin and the other two.
The reason why we're not dead because he thought you were some kind who was a pacifist. Did you know you'd be laughing when you said that?
Aye. Aye, I hate violence, you know me. We just went and made a wee name for ourselves there. People will be looking for us now, and then they'll know. The Bala-Rinas.
Fuck it, I guess.
I'll tell you, wait a minute, I'll show you how you spell it, because you might do it wrong.
Hey, look, it's the Bala-Rinas.
You lot dipped off when the feds rolled up.
Yeah.
To be honest, the Bala-Rinas is memorable, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, to be fair, we did tell the feds that you were called the Bala-Rinas.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got to have it.
They pulled up and stopped and they were like, what's going on here? And I was like, we're just talking to them man up there. They're a group called the Bala-Rinas.
We've got to name ourselves that now, fuck.
You do. You've said it and we've said it in stone. There you go.
It has to be
I
official
don't
at
know,
this point.
now they know.
On the
Look
buttons.
at this fashion
And on to
crime,
that.
bro.
What?
Socks and
Socks
sandals.
and nah.
Socks and sandals. Nah. Pants
Mate, I got
tucked in
these
as
shoes
well.
in prison. This is
Mate,
the
I don't
only
even
shoes you
have
get
shoes.
in fucking prison in this fucking world, man.
Oh, to be honest, mate, I'd rather be barefoot like myself than wearing them. Say no more.
Safe boys, have a fantastic journey.
No problem.
Stay friendly.
Yeah.
Stay friendly, stay
Peace be with you.
Love and guidance.
Fuck me, mate. Right, that
We're
was
going to end up getting in a gunfight one day. And
I know, mate, that was getting too dodgy at the end there, mate.
Aye.
I didn't like that. You even got right up behind me and trying to get my motor, man.
Alright there.
He sounds like a fucking chipmunk.
Aye, that's what happened earlier.
That's
You
like
sounded
a
like a pure
chipmunk.
chipmunk there, your mic pure squeaked.